Hello everyone, welcome back to JV Front End Channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a new product called Audio Dollars. If you are looking for a new way to create digital content online, or you want to build passive income with audiobooks, then this video may be helpful for you. Today we will look at what Audio Dollars is, how it works, and whether it is worth trying. Audio Dollars is a system that helps people create short audiobooks using AI tools. Instead of writing a long book or recording your own voice, you can use artificial intelligence to do most of the work. The system focuses on short audiobooks that are usually around 10 to 15 minutes long. These audiobooks can then be published on platforms where people already listen to audio content. The process is very simple, and it only has 3 main steps. The first step is writing. You choose a genre and use the prompts inside the system to generate a script. The AI will create a complete story or educational content based on the genre you select. The second step is narration. After the script is ready, you can use AI voice technology to turn the text into a full audiobook. This means you do not need a microphone or voice actor because the AI will narrate the entire script for you. The third step is publishing. Once the audiobook is finished, you can upload it to audiobook platforms where listeners can discover and play your content. When people listen to your audiobook, the platforms may pay royalties depending on their system. Now let's watch the demo video and see how it works in real time so you can better understand how Audio Dollars creates audiobooks step by step.
Welcome to Audio Dollars. I'm about to show you how you can have a professional short audiobook written, produced and published in under 1 hour using AI. So here we are on the Audio Dollars prompt library. I want to do history turning points, so a non-fiction history story. I'm going to do it in English, but you can choose any language you want. And my idea for this book is the Battle of the Somme in World War I from the perspective of a German soldier, and you will see why in a little bit. But this is the creative input. You can do a much larger creative input, or you can do none at all and it will just give you something good. But I save the input, copy the finished prompt, and I take it to my favorite AI. In this case I'm using ChatGPT, but you could use any AI you have, including some surprisingly good free and unlimited ones, so you don't even need to pay for AI. So I put in the prompt and it's on the way writing the story, and we can just have a look at this prompt, and you can see this is far more involved than just telling ChatGPT to write a story about a battle. This comes with a full definition of what is the genre, what is the beats in this story, what to do, what not to do, what not to say, how to do it. This is a whole structure, a whole framework that produces great stories, in this case great narrative non-fiction. And it's writing the story, and we're just going to let it do that. It has finished the script, and I read it and it looks really, really good. I just copy it here, and then we take it in to 11 Labs and we can put it in here. And this is already formatted for audio. It's already formatted for 11 Labs. It is ready to go. I'm just going to put it in here because I'm doing a multi-chapter book here, and that was my big idea that I wanted to show you. So all I do here is I just edit the title there, and this is ready to go, nothing more. So what I've done here is I did this a few times from the prompt, and then to make a multi-chapter book, and I'm just going to edit the chapter name here, and there we go. So this chapter here is from the perspective of an English soldier, German soldier, French soldier, and then I did an intro chapter and an outro, and now I have a book. You don't have to do multi-chapter, you can just do one short story. Now what I want to show you is that we're in 11 Labs, and normally you'd think, alright, this will cost me money, but actually you can do this for free. So if I click publish, I can publish to 11 reader. I can do dynamic narration. It says publish for free, no credits needed. And if I do that, we come to this page where I set up my book. I'm just going to fill in these fields now and then come back and show you. Alright, I've filled in all the stuff here. So I put in my title for my book. I uploaded a cover, did a subtitle. And don't worry, you don't have to come up with this. In the training guide inside Audio Dollars, I show you how you can do all of this with AI, including creating the covers, coming up with the titles, the subtitles, and all that. I put in my author, that's my pen name for the history books. There's a book description here, also done with AI. Basically, I have not written a single thing here. You move on, and then it's just like setting which categories, whether it's for adults, mature content, or like you can give away a free sample chapter. We move on. Where I get paid, important. And here is, you can earn from subscribers listening, from pro subscribers on 11 Reader. When every time they listen, you get paid. And you can also set a price for if they're free members, if they want to buy the book, they can buy it for this amount. And then you just go, yep, I agree, done, publish. And here we go, my new audiobook is now live in 11 Reader. People can hit play, and I get paid when they listen to it, or the free members can buy it. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This was done entirely with AI. It was free. Inside the guide, we'll show you how you can publish to 9 other sites, including Spotify, audiobooks.com, and many more.
One interesting thing about Audio Dollars is that it includes 16 different genres. These include horror stories, romance stories, children bedtime stories, relaxing sleep stories, science topics, history content, and even true crime stories. These genres were selected because they are popular with listeners and work well with short audiobooks. In my honest opinion, the idea behind this system is quite interesting because the audiobook industry is growing and more people are listening to audio content every day. The system also looks beginner-friendly because you do not need special skills or expensive equipment to get started. However, it is important to understand that this is not a quick money system. Success will depend on how many audiobooks you create and how consistent you are. The more content you publish, the bigger your audiobook library can become over time. Overall, Audio Dollars looks like an interesting tool for people who want to explore the audiobook market using AI technology. If you are curious about creating your own audiobooks and publishing them online, this system may be worth checking out. Thank you for watching this video on JV Frontend channel. If you want to learn more about Audio Dollars, you can check the link in the description below. And if you enjoy product review videos like this, please subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of new tools and online opportunities. See you in the next video.